Spacewalklib is a Java library created to manage clients subscribed in Spacewalk on Red Hat network satellite servers from any Java application. In this video, I'll show an example of how Spacewalklib can be used to integrate Spacewalk in data center or system management orchestration infrastructure. However, in this case, I'll show you how this can be done with a general purpose workflow engine, in this case, JVPM. The use case I've developed is the installation and configuration of an Apache web server in a system running Linux that has been registered previously in a satellite server. The process to get Apache running on this system can be seen from the JVPM process designer. The first step is to gather the system name, user and password in the satellite from a user interface. Then the process checks if HTTPD package has already been installed. If so, it will go to the configuration management part. In case it's not installed, the system will be registered in a specific software channel and a package installation task is created. The system is then subscribed to the Apache configuration channel and the required config files are deployed into the system. Finally, a script is executed to start the web server. In order to ensure that the script is successfully run before ending the process, we will check every 10 seconds if the script has been executed, and once it has been run, the system is included in a specific group for Apache systems for inventory purposes. Then the workflow is finished. To go a bit deeper in how a Spacewalklib library has been used in the JVPM process, we will take a look to one of the nodes in the process. We will use the node that subscribes the system in a software channel. If we go to the properties and check the action, we can see that a Java class is being used together with a parameter to specify the software channel where the system will be subscribed. If we go to the class, we'll see that it implements action handler as required by JVPM and imports a couple of classes from Spacewalklib. RHN-con is used to establish a connection to the satellite server, and RHN-client is used to subscribe the system in the channel and create a node with information about the task. Now that we have seen an introduction on Spacewalklib and how we have used for the JVPM process, we will check that it actually works as we expect. Okay, I will use a system called Pixie1 for this test. This system is running Red Hat Enterprise Linux 5. Okay, Apache process package is not installed and processes are obviously not run. Okay, this system is registered already in the satellite system, and we can see that it's only subscribing to the base channel and is not included in any group or configuration channel. To start the process, we have only to go to the JVPM console, okay, and log in using the default credentials. Once we are in the initial screen of the console, we examine the latest version of the process deploy Apache. Okay, we can see in the image that is exactly the same that we saw previously, so we can start an instance of the process. In the first task, we have to include the system name and user and password for the satellite server that we are using. We click on Submit button and the process actually starts. We can see in the logs of the satellite server, okay, that there is some activity in the API of the satellite, so we can see that something is happening there. We go to the console, we can start seeing if the events are created. Okay, the performance won't be very good probably in this case because I'm running both the satellite, the JVPM server, and the client as virtual machines in my laptop, okay? But well, you have seen that the first task has already been created, and now here we have the other two, okay? So now they are pending to be gathered, to be launched in the client system, okay? This can take some seconds, okay? I repeat that in a real and well-sized environment, this will run much better and with no issues at all. Okay, now the first task has been taken by the client, and the package probably is already been installed in the system. If we go to history, exactly, yeah, here you can see that the package is being installed in Pixie 1 right now. Okay, let's see. Yeah, well, you see that Apache is already installed. Okay, you now see that the three tasks are done with the package installation, the script, and the deploy of the file. Okay, so now the system is included in the configuration channel, in the software channel for Apache. It should be added in the group for Apache as well. Yeah, here we have it's in the Apache group, and should be in the configuration channel as well. Yes, we see here in the file that is the index.html. Let's see if it actually works or is just my imagination. Yeah, here we have Apache has been successfully deployed in the system. And in the JVPM console we see that the process has successfully ended. Okay. That's any help for you. Thank you for attending this video.